Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Vechain continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at the $0.02436 mark, and as long as that continues to hold, I'm expecting higher prices in the next coming hours to break above our next area of resistance at the $0.03 mark, and a break above that, then we can expect Vechain to continue seeing higher prices and possibly get above the $0.04 mark in the next coming days. Vechain has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and zooming out on the charts to give you my short-term Elliot analysis that I'm watching out for, you can see that on the 11th of September we saw this low at around the $0.015 mark before we picked in the formation of these wave 1 to the upper side, and after seeing the high for this wave 1, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the chart, fully maximized the area before we saw this aggressive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, then expected a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 5, and finally we have now seen the formation of this wave 5 to the upper side in a move that has now given us a high above the $0.02594 mark, and there are high chances that we have now picked in this 5-wave structure to the upside, completing an even larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side, and the minimum target areas for this wave 5 over here can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, and that gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at the $0.02551 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are chances that in case Vechain continues to see higher prices, continue seeing that increase in the buying momentum, we can easily get to the next target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $0.0295 mark. So there are high chances that in case we see another leg to the upper side, Vechain is going to the fib level 1.618 and also give us the chances of breaking above resistance at the $0.03 mark in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that since there are also high chances that we have picked in the formation of this wave 5, in the next coming hours, in case we see a pullback, that should not be a surprise to us, because there are high chances that we have now picked in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, and in the next coming hours we can expect a bit of a healthy pullback in the formation of this wave 5, that is the wave 4, and once we have a low in place for this wave 4, we can get another aggressive move to the upper side in the formation of the wave 5, and the minimum target areas for the 4th wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 3, that is the high for that wave 5, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts between the $0.02165 mark and the $0.02032 mark. And this is the area over here that I have highlighted on the charts. And what that means is that in case we see a pullback losing support at the $0.02436 mark, watch out for this pullback target area over here to give us the low for this wave 4, and then get another massive push to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. So that is what I'm watching out here on the Vechain chart in the next coming hours, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.